D3D1 Songbook Collection.
And now the end is near, and so I face the final curtain. My friend, I'll say it clear, I'll state my case, of which I'm certain.
I believe a life that's fought, I've traveled it, and every highway, but more, much more than this, I did it my way.
Regrets, I've had a few, but then again, too few to mention. I did what I had to do, and so it's true, without exemption.
I planned its charter course, its careful step along the byway, and more, much more than this, I did it my way.
There were times I'm sure you knew, when I bit off more than I could chew, but through it all, when there was joy, I had it all and spit it out. I faced it all, I stood tall and did it my way.
I've loved and tried. I have my fill, my share of losing, and now, as tears subside, I find it all so amusing.
I did all that, and may I say, not in a shy way. Oh no, not me. I did it my way.
For what is a man? What has he got? If not himself, then he has not to see the tears it truly fails, and not the words of the regal shoes. I took the blows.